Hello everyone. Today we're introducing the new Huizi Shaping Gel Nail Set. We have 32 tip shaping gel nail in assorted sizes. Application instruction card. New nail file and wooden cuticle stick. Nail shaping spotlight. 2-in-1 nail beauty pen. Ultra thin edges with a reinforced center. Hardens once cured. How to apply. Prep, new nail files with different grits in both sides, 320 grits to polish the nail surface and remove dead skin. 150 grit to buff the nails. Clean with alcohol pad and let it dry. Choose the right size and remove it with index finger. Squeeze to shape it to match your natural nails. Gently pinch the tip to create a natural curve for a better fit. Start at the cuticle and press toward the fingertip. Press it, middle to left to right. Use the sharp side of the wooden stick to press the edges, then rolling. Make sure to choose the right size tip for a natural look. Choose the direction that matched the width of your nail. Slide and press to shape it with the nail shaping spotlight. Use the curved edge of the nail shaping spotlight to press both sides and shape the desired curve while curing. Brush a layer of anti-stick sealant under the tip, then cure. Then it is all done. Perfect for everyday glam or special occasions. High-quality nails that won't interfere with your daily activities. Fully certified and safety tested. How to remove. 1. Use the nail remover. Drip it into the nails and push back. It is done. 2. Use a wooden stick to dip in and remove it gently. Clean nails with alcohol pads.